Hey guys, do you want this 4K quality for your edits? If yes, then follow me in this video. First ready your clips, then go to the file, click on export, then click on render queue. Then change the format to the QuickTime. After that, click on the format option and choose this option. This setting, click on render and render your edit. And then import it to the Topaz. And in Topaz, just copy what I do. After this, render your edit in these settings and import it to the again After Effects. Now in After Effects, import your edit. And you can delete these all old clips. And the last step is adding a 4K CC. Create an adjustment layer and add your 4K CC power effects. You can download this CC from description. And there you go guys, you now have 4K quality in your edit. Thank you so much guys for your support and patience guys. And tell me in the comment section what tutorial you wanna see next. See you soon guys.